Hey guys, Daniel from Salty Boys Fishing, and today we're going to be sanding this thing down, getting ready for some bottom paint. So right here what we got is we just got our Craftsman sander hooked up to our shop vac, and that way whenever this thing is sanding, we're collecting all the dust and we're not dumping all this paint dust into the environment. Right off the bat, we start sanding the starboard strut, and we're cleaning this thing up so we can put some prop speed, which is going to keep the barnacles off it all season long. So we're just a couple minutes into sanding. This is one of the rear struts, and already we've cleaned up this some, and we see 46-foot ocean yacht. Didn't even know that was there. That's awesome. Now that the strut's done, we have started sanding the side of the boat, and here we're trying to get a smooth finish before we hit it with that first coat of paint. So I've been sanding here for about 5 minutes, and this is about where we need to get it. More like that, but it's about where we need to get it. And after 5 minutes, haven't done all that much compared to what we got to get down to. So gonna maybe look into a stronger sander. We're already using 60 grit, so I think I just need a more powerful sander. At this point in the video, we're about 16 hours into sanding. I totally didn't record anything, but we got the hull all sanded down and we're ready for that first coat of paint we talked about. So right here we have our first coat of paint going on. It's West Marine Antifoul bottom paint, and for its price, we really liked how it went on. Drop in the comments below what kind of bottom paint you guys may have used in the past. So we're doing the first coat in blue and 2 coats of black after that. And the reason for that is when we see the blue start to shine through, it's time to pull the boat out of the water and put some new paint on it. While the paint's drying, I went ahead and replaced the shaft anodes and the rudder anodes, which act as sacrificial metals that corrode instead of your boat's running gear, and this is essential yearly maintenance. One down, one to go. Thank you guys for joining us on part 3 of Boatyard projects. We finished the final coat, got the boat painted. From here on, we're just gonna finish up a couple of the upgrades, and we're gonna get this thing in the water. See you guys then.